I claim in a lot of my videos that you can manifest instantly. This video is going to prove exactly why and how to make sure that you manifest instantly by the end of this video. There's only one reason that you're not getting what it is that you want quickly, and it all has to do with your default program. Let's dive in. My name is Jenna, and I'm here to just make manifesting simple. We are cutting through all of the fluff. We are letting go of all of the stories. We are not being dependent on anything or anyone else around us. We are learning how to reprogram our subconscious mind so that it works in our favor. Stop sabotaging us. Stop making us believe things that aren't true. Stop setting expectations that limit us from getting what it is that we want. And we are going to do that all with every single one of my videos. So make sure that you're subscribed, like, and comment. It really helps me when you do that. And it helps me understand what you're working on so I can create material that is relevant to your specific journey. I'm here to help you. We're in this together. So let's dive into this content. One of the main reasons you are not getting what it is that you want is because you do not understand your value. You don't understand that innately you are so worthy and deserving and you get whatever it is that you want effortlessly. You don't fully buy into that, whether it's because society has taught you that, teachers, parents, influences, peers. Lots of things have come into your world to show you that you're not enough. Now, a lot of us have gone through life and have been told multiple times, we're not good enough, we're not worthy, we didn't get the good grades in school, we didn't have the right friends, we had all these little setbacks. These things accumulate over time and we build up what we call a mental construct, which is also an identity program. We identify as someone who doesn't get things easily, someone who doesn't deserve love, someone who is inconvenient, someone who asks for too much, who takes up too much space. We start to develop these ideas and beliefs about who we are, and we don't even realize that we're doing it. This is your default program. So many ways you don't understand how worthy and valuable and loved you are by the universe. You don't understand that the universe is pointed directly at you. You are the center of its attention, and you get what it is that you want, and that the whole universe could not exist without you. You are that important. But you think, oh, I'm just this one human and I'm going to die in 100 years anyway and I won't, nothing even matters. You are part of this greatest consciousness. You are energy, that you're neither created nor destroyed. You continuously evolve and we need you. You are a very, very integral part to how this all unfolds. So when you start to digest this and really understand your value, your impact, your necessity for our evolution, you will start to see that yes, you are supported. And that yes, you do bring a lot to the table, but your mental mind, your default program, is still comparing yourself to other people. It's still looking at other people and saying, well, they're special. They were born into this family. They have luck. I don't. This doesn't work out for me. I'm always setting back. I'm always less than. There's always something that comes up for me that gets in my way. Every time I get ahead, something else happens and the shoe drops and I spend more money than I can get in because something else happens and I have bad luck. This is a mental construct, pushing you so far away from you understanding and knowing your value and your worthiness that life just keeps bringing, law of attraction just keeps bringing to you the same experiences, the same disappointments, and you just keep confirming that, yep, see, look, things don't work out for me. This is how hard life is for me. And it becomes this perpetual cycle. We need to break the cycle. It's like, look at this analogy. Let's pretend that you're walking down a street. And you're walking down an alley, you take a shortcut, go down this alley, and you end up getting mugged, and they chain you up in rusty old chains. And everything's fine, though. You get out unscathed, continue on with your life. 3 months later, same thing happens, but in a completely different environment. This time, though, they chain you in titanium silver. And then you get out, everything's fine, you continue on with your life. But then 6 months later, different environment, but the same thing happens, except this time they chain you up in 24 karat gold. Now, you could arguably say each time got better because maybe you could sell the silver, maybe you could sell the gold and you made some money. But in every scenario, you're still chained. That's how a lot of us live our lives. We think going from one opportunity to the other without doing the default work, we still go in with chains. Yes, maybe we get a little bit of an improvement. Things change. Our relationship got a little bit better. The financial environment that we're in or the job that we take, maybe it's a little bit better, but we still are chained. So let's just break the chain altogether and live a free, safe, healthy, thriving life. Are you with me? That's what we have to do here in order for you to get instant manifestations. We got to break all the chains that are holding you back from getting and experiencing that. So imagine today as you walk throughout your entire day that you're just breaking chains left and right. Or just letting them go. How do you do that? You just literally visualize yourself breaking free. You're free as of now. You are a different person as of now. You are financially abundant as of now. Why? How could that be? Who says you did? And who's the creator? You are. You are the grand consciousness. We talked about that at the beginning. You are the creation and the creator. You are part of this universal world. We can't exist without you. You're meant to get what it is that you want. You're supposed to grow and evolve. Coming back down to that understanding will start to build your belief and your power in yourself. You're not lacking value. You're lacking awareness. You're lacking the awareness that you are so much more than what you see. You are so much more than your body. You are so much more than this current moment. You are so much more than what you think and feel in any single moment in time. That is what I want to get across to you by the end of this video. I really want you to understand that you're naturally allowed to get what it is that you want with ease. So what I want you to practice is going, I want this, and then go, thank you. Thank you, because it's already done. Thank you. That's how I manifest instantly now. I don't go through any processes. I don't need any affirmations. I just go, thank you. And I get what it is that I want in minutes to hours. It's that powerful, and you can get there too once you understand and own your value. If you keep measuring yourself by external things like your followers, the number on the scale, the number in your bank account, you feel okay because of these external validations, you're never going to be free and fully understand how valuable you are intrinsically. We want you to develop the understanding that unconditionally, you got this. You get everything that it is that you want. You have help. That's what I want you to know more than anything. You are so powerful. So let's look at awareness for a second. If you're aware that you are more than this body, are you aware of that? Are you aware that if you lose your arm, that you still exist? That if you lose all your hair, that you still exist? Why? Because you aren't these things. Were you aware of yourself when you were 6? And are you aware of yourself at your age right now? Yes. Why? Because you are the awareness. You have been through the entire thing. Your body doesn't look the same anymore. That changed. You're going to get gray hair and get wrinkly and more wrinkly as you age. That doesn't change who you are, though. You still have the same awareness that you've had with you your entire life. You are more than this physical body. If it can change, if it can grow, if it can break, if it can die, it's not you. So what you're identifying as you is the wrong thing. Wealth is an energy that you get to match up with. It's not something that you have to go chase. You already are it. You need to embody what it is that you crave, not try to chase it externally for proof. You are the proof. That's the secret. Learning how to embody what it is that you want rather than going to chase it is how you get instant manifestations. Because logically, if you have to go make something happen, you know that it's going to take time, where the universe wants to help you and rush in and you get everything so much quicker. You don't have to have logic. You shouldn't have logic in this. It shouldn't be irrational. You shouldn't be able to explain it. That's what the beauty of manifesting is. We're letting go of control. We're stepping into the idea that you are so worthy of what it is that you want. All I want you to do today is just practice yourself building. your unwavering belief in the universe and your unwavering belief in yourself, because you get anything that it is that you want. No ifs, ands, or buts. Just work on your value, and I promise you, you will get everything. If you're having trouble with that, that's what my default coaching is all about. We want to make sure that we change your belief system. Stop wasting time. Stop leaving your results to chance. Really, really, really commit yourself to this.